Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in. Let's have a conversation today about estimating your costs for starting your business. Ladies and gents, it's time for us to do the math. And with that in mind, we have to use conventional wisdom when we're going through this whole process. We need to figure out the expenses that we're going to occur with our business startup. So that's why we're here today. We can rely on different entities to raise the money, such as friends, families, savings accounts, bank accounts, and even credit cards, which I discourage credit cards. But credit cards are still an option. Guys, if I haven't told you already, the podcast is also listed on professort.montfichet.com. Click on the link, download the study guide. The study guide is going to be necessary for what I'm talking about right now. Now back to our topic. We need to consider investors as an avenue for raising the money. Entrepreneurs can find these investors by referrals or networking. Those are the most two common ways. But you got to understand that these investors tend to keep a low profile. So the search is going to be dear, but you have to really be committed to the process. Now, on the study guide, I have a couple of worksheets that's there. And you need to complete those worksheets to gain an understanding of where your expenses will occur. So thanks guys, thank you for hearing me out. For more information on estimating your cost of starting your business, log on to professort.montfichet.com and download the study guide. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great afternoon. This is Professor T approved.